In the United States, floods are acknowledged as one of the most significant natural disasters, posing an annual threat to millions of Americans. Each year, millions of Americans face a potential risk that could change their lives and communities. It's a narrative that unfolds nationwide, illustrating the relentless power of nature against humanity, a force impossible to resist. Every year, a significant portion of the American population faces the danger of floods, an ever-present danger brought on by storms, hurricanes, or the overflow of rivers breaching their banks. These floods aren't only localized issues, they are agents of chaos, capable of submerging and devastating entire cities while severing crucial lifelines such as electricity, water, and transportation. The toll is significant, resulting in billions of dollars in damages annually. In the picturesque capital of Washington, the unfolding drama took a significant and ominous turn. Relentless heavy rains pounded the region for consecutive weeks. This manifestation of Mother Nature's force triggered severe flooding across the state. Iconic rivers in the Washington area, the Columbia, Snake, and Yakima, all exceeded warning levels, breaching their confines and reaching tens of thousands of homes. Seattle and its surrounding regions found themselves isolated as floodwaters severed connections with the outside world. The consequences were impactful. Streets transformed into waterways, rendering them impassable. The essential services that people relied on, electricity, water, and transportation, were severed, leading to a multitude of challenges. Public transportation systems came to a grinding halt, with subway trains and express buses suspended due to the deep flooding. Airports faced the threat of closure, disrupting transportation operations nationwide. Residents and vehicles were advised to stay put, as leaving their homes became a risk in itself.
Whoa. Wow. Oh man. Well. Oh, a lot of insulation flying by.
Florida, with its geographical susceptibility to hurricanes, presents a unique set of challenges when faced with nature's fury. Additionally, the state's transportation system, intricately woven but fragile in the face of heavy rains and flooding, becomes a vulnerable point of impact. Miami International Airport, a bustling hub, often finds itself forced to close its runways due to flooding, dealing a significant blow to the economy, as a major number of people fly in and out of Miami daily. The year 2022 bore witness to the devastating Hurricane Ian, which unleashed heavy rains over many days and nights, resulting in catastrophic flooding across Florida. Tens of thousands of homes, hotels, and businesses were affected, with estimated damages soaring to a staggering $60 billion. The aftermath left a scar on the landscape, requiring extensive rebuilding to restore it to the right stage.
It's crazy. I left Texas for this reason, and look, I'm just stuck here. 3 hours.
Up to my ankles looking down. What is that sound? Oh man.
Moving along the eastern coastline to North Carolina, a familiar script plays out. Coastal areas, like beads on a necklace, are susceptible to flooding that paralyzes traffic. Major roadways, usually bustling with activity, transform into silent witnesses to the force of nature. Public transportation systems and airports, crucial connectors, face complete paralysis during major storms, complicating evacuation and rescue efforts. As the waters rise, so do the challenges. It's not just a matter of inconvenienced commutes. The very fabric of communities is torn. Farmers, whose livelihoods are deeply intertwined with the land, suffer the most. Floods, with their indiscriminate reach, destroy crops, livestock, and poultry. The risk of disease outbreaks looms large, fueled by contaminated water sources.
Oh my god.
The narrative extends to Los Angeles, a city more accustomed to the glitter and glamour of Hollywood than to the relentless assault of heavy rainfall. Experiencing record-breaking weather patterns, the city faced devastating flash floods that inundated residential areas. Families found themselves forced to evacuate, grappling with damaged belongings and disrupted lives. The ripple effect extended to tourism, a cornerstone of the city's identity, leaving visitors stranded and unable to partake in the sights and experiences that the city had to offer. Difficulties in transportation, a consequence of the flooding, prompted work absences and kept students away from schools. The public transportation system, highly utilized in any major city, faced a similar fate. Subways and buses were paralyzed, with many stations submerged. LAX International Airport, a bustling gateway, teetered on the edge of temporary closure due to the deep flooding. The economic engine of the city was put on hold, with tens of thousands temporarily losing their jobs. Vehicle traffic clogged the streets, and even the elevated rail system, a symbol of modern urban connectivity, had to suspend operations due to floodwaters inundating stations and tracks. The repercussions were not limited to urban landscapes. The sprawling wilderness of Alaska, known for its rugged beauty, faced its own set of challenges. The natives, deeply connected to their traditional villages, had to grapple with the threat of flash flooding. Houses were washed away and vital infrastructure, roads, bridges, and schools crumbled in the face of nature's onslaught. The disruption was profound, touching every facet of daily life. Health and education services, pillars of any thriving society, faced extended disruptions. The impact reverberated through population structures, forcing communities to relocate and rebuild. It was a stark reminder that the consequences of floods aren't just measured in dollars, they are etched into the very soul of the affected communities. In the intricate narrative of the United States, floods annually challenge millions, leaving profound impacts. From Washington's ominous rains to Hurricane Ian's havoc in Florida, this story extends beyond dollars, etching into the soul of communities. Raw footage ahead offers a glimpse into real-life struggles. Share your thoughts in the comments as we explore the intersection of nature and society. The resilience shown is not just a story, it's a shared experience. Like, share, and subscribe to stay informed and connected.